If you want to add start times to tasks in Todoist, there's an important thing to know right away. Todoist does not natively support hidden start dates or hidden start times that keep a task completely out of sight until it's time to work on it. But there is a very useful workaround, and that is using Todoist task durations to make the due time act like a visual calendar start time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a simple, fast way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Todoist tips and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to the area where you want to create your task. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Q on your keyboard. That opens the task creator immediately, so you can type a new task without hunting through menus or clicking around. Now here's the key part. Instead of just typing a task name, you can use natural language to include both a time and a duration. Todoist is smart enough to understand phrases like write article today at 2 p.m. for 15 hours, or gym tomorrow at 6 a.m. for 45 minutes. When you type it this way, Todoist reads the time as the start point and the duration as the amount of time the task should take. So let's walk through it step by step. In the task field, type your task exactly how you want it to appear, then add the date, the time, and the length. For example, if you want to work on a blog post today at 2 p.m. for 1.5 hours, type that in one line. Todoist will automatically recognize the time, highlight the time portion, and assign the task to that calendar block. What this does is really useful if you like planning your day visually. Instead of using Todoist as a strict hidden start system, you're using the due time as a visible work block. That means when you open your schedule or calendar view, you'll see a clear block of time reserved for that task. It helps you plan around meetings, deep work, workouts, study sessions, or any task that needs a specific time slot. Another example would be something like call client tomorrow at 10 a.m. for 30 minutes. Todoist will register 10 hung a.m. as the start time and block out that half hour on your calendar view. That makes it much easier to see exactly when you're supposed to do the task, rather than just knowing that it's due sometime that day. This method is especially helpful if you want to manage your day in a more structured way. You can think of it as a practical workaround for start times in Todoist, even though Todoist does not offer a true hidden start time feature. It won't hide the task until later, but it will help you organize tasks by time and duration in a way that feels very close to a start time system. If you want to make this even more effective, keep your task names clear and action-oriented. Short, specific task names work best with natural language scheduling. Instead of vague task titles, use something like draft email response, review budget, or train legs at the gym. Then attach the time and duration so Todoist can convert it into a usable schedule block. Also, remember that the format matters. If Todoist doesn't understand the wording exactly the first time, try simplifying it. Use straightforward phrases like today at 2 p.m. for 1H or tomorrow at 6 a.m. for 45 m. The simpler your input, the easier it is for Todoist to pass the task correctly. So the full process is really just 3 parts. Press Q open the task creator, type your task using natural language with a start time and duration, and let Todoist turn that into a visible time block. That's it. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for users who want a calendar-style workflow without manually building every single task. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the videos and keeps more Todoist productivity tutorials coming your way. And if you want more tips on organizing your tasks, calendars, and daily workflow, make sure to check out the next video as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.